Samsung has unveiled a foldable smartphone. Galaxy Fold 6 Special Edition has a thickness of 10.6 mm. There is more thicker than Z Fold 6. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. It has a titanium frame. This is amazing phone from the company and has a premium design. It is also equipped with marginally bigger displays and 6.5 inches outer display. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition may sport a 200 megapixel primary camera. The phone will run on Android 14 operating system. The standard model is equipped with a 6.5 inches internal and 7.60 inches external screen. There is more thicker than Z Fold 6 and translating into a difference of just 1.5 mm. That's all for now and thanks for watching.